How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a really quick video. I want to just talk about these new earbuds that were sent in. So now a few centuries ago, I actually took a look at these Fire earbuds, which are basically like Apple's AirPods. And these over here, I don't know how to pronounce the name, ANBES or ANBES, whatever. It says ANBES D41 wireless earbuds. And they've got some stuff at the back. You can go ahead and pause to read that. These were sent in by the company, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go buy them, because these ones are exactly the same. The only difference is they just have like a different dock, and the design is a tiny little bit different. So let's go ahead and take out the Fire ones. I'll show you these. Now I've done a video review on these ones in the past, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. So the buds actually sit inside that. You can pick them up, and then they probably run out of charge. And you can actually go ahead and pair them with your phone. I'm going to put these Fire ones away, and we're going to talk about these. So the only difference with these is that you actually pick them up from the sides like that, right? And they also have an LED on them. So there is that is lit up white. Yeah, you can definitely see that blinking. And they have this LED here, which is basically the same as the one on this one. Which indicates how much charge level is left, and you can obviously charge with the micro USB. Now comparing the two, what I think is these ones are not only cheaper, they are almost half the price, but these are actually smaller, so they can fit in your pocket more easily. So I've been using these, and sound quality is pretty much the same. The design is similar as well. So as you can see, they're kind of similar, but they're just a little bit different, I guess. And they obviously paired up with the side with the left one. So the left one is the main one, and the right one is the one that pairs up with the left one. But really they're just exactly the same as the Fire E18s, but they're a bit cheaper. Now this is made out of metal, so don't worry. And I've tried shaking this about, kind of get them to fall out, but trust me, they're not gonna fall out. Battery life is the same, function is pretty much the same, and sound quality is pretty much the same as well. But the only thing is these are cheaper. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go buy them. Yes, I do recommend these over the Fire E18s, although they are a little bit worse in terms of design in my opinion, because it's definitely nicer to have this kind of thing to keep them packed in, but that doesn't matter. The thing is, they're really the same things. So I'll leave a link in the description. They're cheaper, go ahead and buy them. So they're pretty cool, I think. The sound quality wise, they sound nice for Bluetooth devices, but as an audiophile, I don't really like the sound quality of them. But that's just me. I am an audiophile. I am really picky about how things sound. But yeah, this is pretty much your standard Bluetooth thing.